There's 1.3 billion people on the planet with no access to electricity at all.
The mission of the Kroc School is to train professionals of peace. And by peace, we mean not just the absence of violent conflict, but how do we shape societies where there's justice, where there's equity. So when you think about people, millions of people who live off-grid without access to energy, without access to electricity, this represents an important innovation, the EnergiPlant.
I think it's both aesthetically pleasing and has a lot of amazing usefulness.
It's a completely self-sustaining and standalone nanogrid, which means we don't have to connect it to any grid power whatsoever. The solar component, which you can see on top of the leaves there, and then the wind turbine on top are the only power sources, and it keeps it completely ready to go for any of your charging needs or lighting, that kind of thing.
By having this type of device in our front yard, basically, at the Kroc School, students engage with it, students learn, students imagine new possibilities, and they also figured out not just how to build a new thing, but what needs to be done to get it to the people who need it the most.
Students will be able to benefit from. They'll be able to charge their phones, their laptops, sit in the shade, and also be prideful of the fact that their campus is doing so much to become a clean energy campus.